Welcome to another AgroLedger tutorial. Today we will walk you through how to report non-movement events such as sheep sightings or medical events, as well as explore how to edit sheep, add sheep, and manage your inventory. In our commitment to deliver more value from Canada's traceability systems, the Canadian Sheep Federation has built additional functionality into AgroLedger. These other reports are not required, but instead intend to add value to the livestock traceability system for both producers and consumers. Go to your reports dashboard by clicking on the Reports tab at the top of your screen. Here you can create reports for events like sheep sightings or medical events. You can also add new sheep or edit information about your sheep. Clicking the Add Sheep button will take you to the Add Sheep Manually feature. For detailed instructions on this topic, check out our Adding Sheep video. To edit the information of an individual sheep, click the Edit Sheep button on your report's dashboard. Note that you cannot edit a sheep's CSIP number using this function. If a sheep has lost its official tag and a new tag is applied, you are required to create a tag replacement report. To learn more about creating tag replacement reports, check out our tag reports video. Search for a specific sheep using an identification number. Input any new information about your sheep into the fields below. You can leave any fields blank that you do not wish to change. Click Submit to save your changes. Next, let's create a sheep sighting report. A sighting report records when animals were confirmed as present at a premises on a specific date. You are not required to cite animals, but sighting reports can be useful tools for confirming animal inventories. To report a sheep sighting, click the Sighting button on your report's dashboard. You can create a sheep sighting report manually or by spreadsheet. Let's create a sheep sighting report manually. First, provide the CSIP number of the animal you encountered, or select the highlighted text, Add an Animal, to create a new sheep. Next, indicate the premises where the animal sighting occurred, who is reporting the event, and the date. Optionally, you can include the latitude and longitude. Click Submit to complete the report. Next, let's create a sheep sighting report via CSV file. Select the .csv or .xlsx file you want to upload. This file should include a column with each animal's identification number. Select the column header from your document that corresponds with the identification numbers of the animals for which you are creating a sighting report. Select NA or Not Applicable for any identification methods that do not apply. Select the premises where the animal sighting event occurred. Click the Select All button to include all of the sheep from the spreadsheet, or select the sheep involved in the event individually. Input the date of the sighting event. Click Submit to complete the report. Next, let's create a medical event report. Medical reports are not mandatory, but they can be useful for keeping track of treatments for management and food safety purposes. A medical event can include information like antimicrobial treatments and vaccines. Note that medical reports you submit to AgroLedger will be shared with anyone else who has care and custody of the animal during its life cycle. This feature creates an opportunity for animal health information to be shared across the value chain. By adding information via the medical report function, you are agreeing to the information being shared with other regulated parties. To report a medical event, click the Medical button on your report's dashboard. Then, click the Create Manually button. First, select the premises that the sheep who underwent a medical event reside on. Next, select the sheep involved in the medical event either individually or by selecting Select All Sheep on Premises at the bottom of the screen. As applicable, detail the treatment your sheep received in the treatment information form, including product name, suggested dosage, medicine expiry date, medicine type, route or method of administration, reason for treatment, and first and final treatment dates. Add information about when and where sheep products, milk or meat were collected. Click Submit to complete the report. To manage the inventory of sheep on your premises, click the Inventory Management button on your report's dashboard. You will be brought to your sheep dashboard where you can search for specific sheep, specific premises, or filter sheep by their status. Thanks for tuning in to another AgroLedger tutorial. Check out our YouTube channel for more how-to videos.